Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Prince Meyson. So there's this thing that I've been wanting to do for the longest time, which is just do a video 5 minutes or do a 5 minute challenge on how far how well I can retouch a beauty image in 5 minutes, especially using my new packs that I sell, because I sell these things and tell you help you retouch better and retouch faster, right? But I've been a little bit nervous to do it for beauty images because it kind of takes a while to retouch a beauty image. But today we're going to do something different. We're going to do a 5 minute challenge. Now I'm not going to start with like the capture one thing, but in capture one I'm just going to do just a little bit here in capture one. I'm not going to start in capture one. I'm probably just going to because I mean my actions are not in capture one, so I'm just going to do a few things in here real quick, just prep the image for what's going to happen in Photoshop. I don't want the highlights to be too blown out, and then maybe just add a little contrast here, something like this. And yeah, that's about it. I think we're good to go here. So what I'm going to do is take this particular image into Photoshop. This is about to be an interesting one. Like I said, it's a little nervy when you have to do a challenge to see how good you can retouch an image like this in 5 minutes. By the way, this right here is Retouch. She's an amazing model. As you guys can see, we have this image that I have retouched already. I'm going to show you guys the before and after real quick. So look at the before, and that is the after right there. So I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see before, after. I think my PC is a little bit slow today, so that's going to hold me back. So in a situation like this, how far can I go using my preset? So let's get to it without wasting too much time. So what I'm going to do right now is just hit play. This is going to be on the screen right now, 5 minutes, and then I'll get to work. So hey, wish me luck. So I'm going to hit play right now and we are good to go. I'm just going to jump in here and click on my beauty retouch. Now I wish this would load a little bit faster and just give me more time, because I'd like to do a little bit extra apart from like my using just my pro retouching pack. I'd like to get into using my retouching essentials pack too. But what I'm going to do right now is just use the pro retouching pack to start off real quick and finish up as soon as possible, and then whatever extras I can do with the time I have, I'm going to jump into that. Now this is already taking over 30 seconds out of my time, but I'll make that up with this particular pack again. So okay, great. The first thing I want to do is just quickly take out a few blemishes. I'm just not going to take out too much. I'm going to pick my clone stamp tool, just hop in there. I can see right here she has some smile lines that I do not like, so I'm just going to take out those smile lines quickly using my clone stamp tool. She has pretty good skin, so that's definitely going to help with this particular retouching challenge, right? If she didn't have good skin, then it'll be harder to fix. I don't think I need to do too much. Maybe right here on her body, probably take this out. I'm probably just 5 minutes is a short time, guys. Okay, so I'm done with that right now. I'm just going to pick my brush tool and then go to my paint here layer. Make sure my flow is all the way up to maybe 20 something, and then do this. And I probably have 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. That is crazy, but let's see what we can do in 5 minutes. Just touch up the body just a little bit. I think we're off to a good start using the retouching pack though. So I have 2.5 minutes. I spent 2 minutes already. Oof, this is crazy. Who told me to try 5 minutes? 5 minutes is a short time. I'm just going to go to extra smooth and just mess around with that a little bit more with the extra smooth. Nah, 5 minutes is a short time. And then I am going to create a complete dodge and burn, right? But I'm just going to turn this off right now. So I'm not going to do any micro dodge and burn because I barely have time right now. So I'm just going to pick my brush tool, take my flow all the way to maybe about 4% is fine. Then go to dodge, and then dodge here, dodge some of these places here, dodge here, this places under here, here, here. I'm just going to dodge these places. I got 1 minute left. Okay, no, 2 minutes. I still have 1 minute and 50 seconds, and then I'm just going to burn these areas. So I'm just doing my global dodge and burn quickly. All right. 1 minute is like crazy time. 5 minutes. We'll do my global dodge and burn real quick, and then I will do my levels. Just bring it up a little bit, add some contrast to it. One thing I can do to make this image look a lot better real quick is maybe just create a new where's that color balance layer, and then go to filter, select color range, and I'm going to change the background real quick. Okay, see, selected the background already, just to be, so I can have the background selected. And what I'll do is take my flow all the way to 100%, and then just paint over this with what are we doing, black? Yes, just so that I remove it from her eyes. And just gonna take this whole stuff and then just mess around with my background color, just something like this. Yes, just something like this, just to add some. Yes. Okay. I think that's about as good as I can get. I would love to do a little bit of micro dodge and burn, but I barely have time for that. But let me just try 16 seconds. Maybe micro dodge and burn. Somewhere around here, dodge 11 seconds. Oh, that is, so come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. That is okay. I know. That's as fast as I can go. So let me stop this right now. So in 5 minutes, what was the best that I could do in 5 minutes? I don't think it's bad, but let's see the before and after. So let's zoom in, see what the before and after look like. Before and after. I don't think that's bad in 5 minutes. Before and after. Come on, look at that. Before, after. That's not too bad in 5 minutes. I mean, like I said, her skin's really nice. This is probably what a lot of people probably deliver. But yeah, there's still before, after. If for some reason I do take out like the color balance, just take that out, and it's just like the image itself. So before and after for the skin retouching. I don't think that's bad. Now taking out the color lookup, you guys can see the skin. It looks a lot better right now. So hey, I mean, I would still do a little bit of micro dodging and burning, just to like fix some certain places in here. But I do not think this is bad. What do you guys think? Let me know. I think I overdid it around here. When I was trying to remove this this cheek line right here, I think I overdid that. But what do you guys think? This is the before, and that's the after. Let me know. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.